just want to thank, I'd like for Julia Whitehead and Daryl Chatelaine to come up with me if you would. Uh, we've been talking, I've been at the hospital for 26 years, and there's been talk for many, many years about how nice it would be to have a park. You know that old saying, talk is cheap. So till someone puts some legs to the ideas, nothing happens. So Julia Whitehead was very instrumental in kind of kicking this off and getting the ball rolling. She and Daryl Chatelaine, our Director of Plant Operation, and Julia's our Director of Foundation, worked together to really plan this and to make it happen. They kind of got with a Terracon engineering and laid out what the scope of the project would be. And then Julia started going after grants and donations. And I just wanted to read a few of the people that have donated to make this possible. You know, it never ceases to amaze me what Magnolia and the community will do for us at the hospital and for the community. Our very first grant that we were awarded that kind of really gave us the momentum to move forward was with Weyerhaeuser. Someone here from Weyerhaeuser today? But they gave us $5,000 grant. Whitehead Forestry, Steve's here. Appreciate the $1,000 grant. Our Columbia County Community Foundation, we received $2,500 just from general donations, $200. Our employees at MRMC every year donate dollars back to a giving project, something that will benefit the hospital. And this was what they chose this year to give their money to. And our MRMC employees gave to this building project $17,943. The Blue and You, another grant that Julia applied for and was successful in getting, was the Blue and You. Is anyone here from Blue Cross? We received $17,828 from the Blue and You grant. And last but certainly not least, our foundation. We got, raise your hand here, those of you that are on our hospital foundation. These are 17 of the busiest people and most energetic people I have ever known. They put together a gala that we had at Jan and Thurl Story's barn back in November, and in one night they raised $67,017, and that's wonderful. Of course, this was also with the support of the community. I want to thank the businesses that contributed to that. They gave silent auctions. We had individuals who gave many donations in dollars and gifts that we were able to auction off. And of course to the restaurants that donated all of the wonderful food. So all of us, again, making this community work together can make this happen. So we have a grand total of $111,488 to put this together. Now when we envision this, Julia and Daryl have kind of drawn up a plan, and they've got it to where it's about a quarter of a mile, just a little bit under, they said, and there's going to be 10 fitness stations along the way. We wanted to have this for our staff. About a year ago, we started at MRMC with a wellness project. We wanted to develop a wellness culture so that we could help our staff be the example to the community for health and wellness and prevention, which is what the focus of our new healthcare administration is about. So we wanted to be the first to do that, and this kind of started us thinking a little bit more about getting this wellness track so that when our staff have an opportunity to have a break, instead of going smoking, they can go walking. And we've already seen a lot of our staff have really committed to that, and so we hope that in the future that continues to grow. And then it's available for our patients' families when they need to get out for a little bit and just enjoy some fresh air and exercise, and just for the general community. So I think that's about all I have to say. I just want to say thank you to everyone, and to Julia and to Daryl for their work in this, and for the community's support. So thank you.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.